Key West Tower, action helicopter. We're just 1 mile south of your tower.
Roger that, 49 Charlie November, put on the right base for Alpha Taxiway. You're clear to land.
49 Charlie November, roger that. Alpha Taxiway, we're clear to land. Action helicopter, 49 Charlie November. Good afternoon, ladies. Welcome to Action Helicopter. I hope you enjoy your flight today.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, enjoy. Good afternoon, Key West Tower, Action Helicopter, 49 Charlie November.
Action Helicopter, 49 Charlie November, Key West Tower. Go ahead.
Action Helicopter, 49 Charlie November. We're currently at Alpha 2. We'd like a southbound departure, sir.
Roger that, 49 Charlie November. Lift to the Alpha 2 and depart to the eastbound with a right turn south.
Well, Action Helicopter was formed in 1989 in Miami, and I personally have been involved in helicopters since the late 60s. We've operated throughout the United States and the Bahamas. We're currently focused on Key West, clearly. We've been very active in many segments of the helicopter industry, providing tours for tours around the cities, executive carriers. We've done everything you can do with a helicopter, including the film industry. The films that I've worked on have been G.I. Jane with Demi Moore, White Squall with Jeff Bridges. We're here in Key West to provide a service that Key West does not have, and then to build on it from there. Emergency medical evacuation, and people just needing to get someplace in a hurry. Well, for the tourists, of course, we'll be providing the short tours or customized tours. We also will be having pre-designed tours for them at a fixed cost. And for the business side, we'll be providing a very high-end helicopter service. And they're very comfortable, air-conditioned helicopters. And we expect that it would work well here. We'll use a variety of helicopters. We have a Robinson Helicopter Company in Torrance, California. Those are the helicopters we'll be using for small tours. We offer other larger aircraft, Bell products, Bell 206s, for the more heavy and the more longer trips that we would be doing. I think that most of our passengers come to us not really knowing what to expect. When they see the helicopter start to rise from the runway and the bird's eye view comes into effect, they're exhilarated by it. And you can see the smile on their face many times. They didn't expect to have that. And the advantage of doing it in a helicopter is that the helicopter can do it slowly and can do it very low. You can see half the city with just a glance out the window. The advantage of a helicopter is that it has a high visibility. It's glass all the way around it, so it's almost like being in a glass-bottom boat. You can look outside and see many things at the same time. We narrate the tour and we show the things that we think are of interest to them. We feel like there's a need for vertical flight here. We would like to invite everyone to come and enjoy these exhilarating, beautiful bird's eye view helicopter tours around the Keys. And Action Helicopters is here and ready to board.
Charlie November, we're currently at Alpha 2, requesting a southbound departure, sir.
Roger that, 49 Charlie November from Alpha 2, depart to the east for the right turn along the shoreline, and we'll have a nice flight.